Another style is run and gun. Run and gun games are all about close combat and quick reflexes, so very similar to Call of Duty. They include a big bad boss, which the focus is to mow down all the enemies and to reach the boss. Kind of think of Sonic in a way, or either a better example than Sonic would be Mario. You get through all the enemies in the land, and then you end up fighting the boss on the top of the hill, if you remember the N64 version. Um, the bosses often combine skill sets and weapons of the smaller enemies, so they kind of he or she, whoever the boss is, has all the different skill sets and weapons that you've been dealing with. You also, with run and gun, include waves of enemies, which ramp up the level of difficulty with the enemies, also the number of enemies. So maybe the first wave might be two, the next wave might be four, the next wave might be six, and they have a better gun, for example. And this also introduced a new classes of enemies as players progress. All right, as I just noted, as you get further down, you have newer enemies that you're introduced to. This is what keeps these games fun, is all the new enemies that you run into and different weapons that they may have and the difficulty. And run and gun has RPG elements, or what's called as role-playing games. This adding new weapons in the form of pickups or power-ups.